Hello my people, how are you? Hope you're doing fine. Hope everything is okay. So today I'm going to be showing you the products so far I've received from Milky Cosmetics, and because most of you have been asking me like which kind of products to use, you've been inboxing me asking me what to use, like I'm a beginner, I need ABCD. So today I'm going to be telling you what I got from Milky Cosmetics, and all their products are discounted 20% off. So let me show you what I got. Please, hope you enjoy this unboxing with me. So I received this thing, this package on 8th, but I've been waiting for this day to just unbox my package. Guys, I'm excited because I love all their products, and they have you can purchase, they have eyeshadow palettes, they have lipstick, they have makeup remover, they now have foundation. You guys check them out, try them out. Also, if you're beginner, they have affordable prices. Yeah, I don't know, maybe I'll need to include their contact down below so that you can maybe WhatsApp them, or you can even follow them on their social media handles on Facebook and also on Instagram. You guys forgive me the way how I'm unboxing my package, because I just want to see my stuff. Ooh. Wow. Okay. Alright, so these are the eyeshadow palettes that I ordered for, and this is I think, let me first open and see. Okay, so wow, I love the packaging. Wow. Actually, I just removed it was in here. So this is their box, okay, and this is my palette, and let me open. Wow, guys, look at that, wow. For those who enjoy nude looks, makeup looks, I would highly recommend you to purchase this kind of palette, because of shades I love them. Look at this line, look at the shimmers. I don't know if you can see them very well, but ooh, wow, they are highly pigmented. Just look at that. Ooh, see. Actually, they are like even glitters. They are like glitters, because I'm seeing this other shimmer, but it's not high. But here, this line is amazing. They are like glitters. Wow. Okay, let's check this other palette. So okay, wow. So yeah, Milky, thank you for this kind of packaging. I really like it. You know that I do. Oh, so this is palette number 4. Check it out. Okay. Wow. I don't know. Okay. Wow. So now look at this. Just look at that. I don't know if you can see it very well. Just look at that. So I would recommend, if you're a beginner, you buy this palette. This palette is number 4, and this other palette is number 1. Actually, even I have number 3. I don't know if I can get it for you guys and see it, but I love this palette. Also, if you're a beginner, just look at the way how they arranged this kind of the shades. You know, you can blend. If you're a beginner, you won't find difficulties when it comes to blending. Wow, I love it. I love it so much. And this is palette number 4. It's portable. You can always put it in your bag. Wow. So I would recommend all makeup artists to check out Milky Cosmetics, because all her products are, for the lack of a better word to use, I love these products. I love them. They are just simply amazing, adorable, cute, highly pigmented. Just look at that. I don't know, just look at that. Let's try this pink. You see, so I can't wait to start creating beautiful, amazing looks. Thank you, Milky. I love you. And before I forget, I also have a lipstick. It is thank you for my lipstick. I really love it. And guys, if you haven't purchased their lipstick, don't forget I told you they have 20% discounted all their products. They have lipstick, eyeshadow, foundation, and makeup remover. Please kindly check them out. Check them out. I love my lipstick. Thank you so much. It is matte, long lasting. It doesn't stain your cups. I love it. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Please kindly go follow and check them out on their products that they're having. It's a July sale. It's a huge sale for a full month. Guys, you need to check them out. Just look at this shimmer. It's all over my hands. Wow. Ooh la la. Okay, until next time guys. Bye bye.